Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Analytics 4 properties with new event tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Analytics 4 properties with new event tracking, start by signing into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left of the screen. Select the property you want to update from the property column. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the specific data stream you need to configure for event tracking. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurement section. Make sure that Enhanced Measurement is enabled. This feature automatically tracks certain events like page views and outbound clicks. If you want to set up custom events, scroll back to the top and click on Events. Here, you'll see a list of automatically tracked events. To create a new event, click the Create Event button. Fill in the necessary details for your new event. Give your event a clear name that reflects its purpose. Define the conditions under which this event should trigger. You can use various parameters to customize your event tracking further. Once you've entered all the required details, click Save. Next, you need to check if the new event is receiving data properly. Go to the Real-Time section in your Google Analytics account. Watch for your event to appear in the real-time report. It may take a few minutes for the data to display. If your event does not appear, double-check the event conditions you set. You can also verify your implementation using Google Tag Manager if applicable. Make sure to publish your changes in Tag Manager if you're using it. Once the event is confirmed, you can analyze it in your reports. Navigate to the Reports section in Google Analytics. Click on Engagement and then Events. Here, you'll find insights on how your event is performing. Regularly monitor the new event for ongoing optimization opportunities. Document your new event tracking setup for future reference. This will help you or your team whenever you need to revisit the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.